Alright guys, so a lot of people been asking me about the Ford rear view mirror. Say, Roberto, you have we know how to take it out, but how to install it back. So most likely you're gonna use the same tool for both mirrors. We have this design, this one. So we're gonna place it there. So we have this tool. You can adjust it where you need it. So this piece is gonna be on the bracket, and this piece is gonna be on the mirror. Pushing the mirror in without. Go close this way. It's in. So that way you don't put pressure on the bracket and break the windshield. Quality Master Auto Glass. Thanks for watching.